Do you plan to take the PTE exam and earn a brilliant score to ensure foreign education? Then we have to focus on the most important part, the speaking section. These tips and ideas will prove helpful. First of all, we have to focus on the three main factors that contribute to your score: content, pronunciation, and fluency. In order to ace the content, get familiar with all kinds of words and sentences to improve on vocabulary, comprehension, and answering. Most importantly, focus well on the questions and details in front of you. Next, to ensure good pronunciation, cultivate a habit of mastering words in terms of individual syllables, with enough stress on each of them. Furthermore, maintain a steady pace and be loud enough. And on to maintaining good fluency, avoid hesitations, unreasonable pauses, repeating attempts, or speed that is too quick or too slow. It's best to get used to smooth, clear speech patterns. Finally, motivate yourself to be able to generate enough ideas when necessary, especially even relying on a couple of templates to ensure fluent speech. Just like that, you can bet on a great score. Still not clear? Visit the Maple IELTS and PTE Learning Center today.